Hello students, how are you all? So you may be looking at me and saying आप मुझे देखकर हैरान होंगे कल्पेश सर with beard. Okay, so no problem my dear students. So can you say me good morning? So let me say you good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you all my dear students? Are you okay? Are you doing well at your home? So I hope and believe that all of you are doing good at your home. So let me say once again thank you very much for your cooperation, and you are cooperating with us, and you are doing good, and you are doing homework, and whatever we are saying you are following, and you are obeying. So I am very much excited. तो मेरे प्रिय स्टूडेंट्स, मैं बहुत ही आभारी हूँ कि जो भी लेसन आपको दिया जाता है वो आप करके भेज रहे हैं, इसलिए आपको बहुत ही धन्यवाद देता हूँ. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे अगेन आई एम really excited to take for the first standard. This is the phonic number B. We are going to see today the phonic number B. In this book we have been learning the long vowels, long vowels and this and that we are learning. So today I am going to take you another the long vowels we have finished. Okay, so today I want to share, or I want to take in recap. Recap means we will do what we have learned. We are going to learn that. Okay, so what we have learned, the vowels, long sound. Okay, so last time we have seen long vowel sound of vowel. There are 5 vowels. How many are there? 5. कितने vowels है? 5. इंग्लिश में कितने vowels है? 5. A, E, I, O, U. मेरे साथ बोले. Can you recite, or can you say or repeat with me? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels we have learned. Okay, my beloved students, do you know that vowels names? Okay, we have finished that long vowel sound of vowels. These 5 means which word we pronounce, there will be in for cap. So cap, so there will be a is long sound, cap, app, or no, a. Okay, cap, lip, this I, a, in that between whichever word is coming, that is called long vowel sound of vowel. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 vowels whenever comes in the front word, we put what? An on apple, because apple is starting with on elephant. Okay, on ice cream. Okay, on umbrella. So these are the words we learn. So my dear students, I hope and believe that all of you are following me, and all of you are learning something. So because of that reason, I am really thankful to you. So dear students, so in that same words we are going to recap. Okay, we are going to recap means we are going to recollect those. Okay, our memory is very weak. Our memory is this memory, very weak. So there will be all this virus are inside, so our brain will be vibrate, and it will be we cannot keep in our mind. So it will wash out, or we will forget all the things. So for that we need to do what? Recap. For that, my beloved students, I will inform, or I will teach you today the recap. Okay, so in this recap we are going to see something. Okay, so now I will take you in this recap A, E, I, O, U. In this we are going to learn with the pictures. So for that, let us go to the book. and learn. Okay, let us go. Okay, dear students, so we are going to see the first standard, the phonic number. This is phonic number B for the first standard. In this we are going to learn today. So last time I have taught you, or we have learned the long vowel sound of vowel U. So we have finished this. Okay, or no, yeah, many of you have sent me your homework, so I know that we have finished this one. So today we are going to see the recap. Means we just recap, means we will in this say punavartan, or we can say revise. No, we will say revise. We have to repeat or recap. Okay, please look at the picture and circle the letter for the vowel sound. One has been done for you. Now what we have to do, we have to look at here pictures. Like a picture is there. What is this? This is cap. What is there? Cap. So C-A-P, cap. So there is one sound, long word sound is coming A. So here we can, it is done already, example is given here. Okay, so they have rounded here. Now pen, P-E-N. So we will find out E where is. So pen. Okay, this is how we need to do. Pen, the long sound is E. Okay, pen, pen. Okay, did you understand? Then this is the pictures of leaf, lip, lip. So L-I-P. So there is a sound I, lip. Okay, cap, pen, lip. Then dog. So D-O-G, dog. So there is sound is coming O. So here is okay. Now here is coming duck, duck. So this is the pictures of duck. A-E-I-O-U, duck, D-U, U will come. Okay, this is also one kind of vowel is there. Okay, dear students, I hope that you are following me, and I hope that you have learned this one. So you can make it this one, and you need to send me. Okay, pen I put E, leaf I put I, dog I put O, duck I put U. Okay, so this is what we did. Now here we are going to see. Now please add E to the short vowel sound vowel words and make them into long vowel words. Read them aloud to hear the difference in their sound. So now there is same. Now we have to what, just okay. Now what we have to do, here we need to add just E. Okay, now fin, F-I. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to make the words. How you can say fin, fine. So it is, they have given one example, fine. Okay, so R or O. So E we need to add here. Okay, so plus so rope. Okay, then pin, P plus we need to add here, what we have to add, E. Okay, pine. Okay, okay, then TUB, to tube. Okay, so put TUB, tube. Okay, okay, then hope, H, add here, hope. Okay, okay, then tick. So take, let us add. Okay, take. Then cut. Okay, then kite. then cap, okay, then tap, okay, okay, read them aloud, hear the difference in their sound. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Okay, dear students, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Okay, bye bye, see you in next video.